Hello everyone, this is Sadia Sultana and I have created the e-module on conservation of nature. This e-module is created by taking website as the content management system in order for the easy access for adult learners. They can just click on the website and take the entire course. This e-module on conservation of nature will explain in detail about the natural resources, the way we are harming our environment, and the effective practices we can adopt to help our mother nature. So click on the links over here and take the courses. Thank you.